Once you have passed for Unit 2, completing the packet and then also getting a score of 85% or higher on the post test, you are ready to start your design formulas. You will need this packet. There are 3 separate sheets. I'm just going to demo how to do one. You need to make sure that as soon as you get your packet, you put your first name at the top, you put your last name at the top, you put your class period, and then also hashtag and whatever your number is for this class and put a circle around it. This is the A plus B equals C that we have done in the past, and it is taking the vocab that you just confirmed the fact that you learned, and now you're applying it into being able to make your own art from it. So for negative shapes, you're going to use that knowledge and you are going to create a drawing here. I highly recommend going ahead and getting a T-square or any of the other different tracing devices that we have to help you make your straight lines and to help keep your design clean and consistent. The trick on this is when we make our final piece of art, it's going to have no lines in it. It is either going to be a black shape that we're going to signify with just filling it in, or it's going to be a dark gray, which we are going to signify by creating cross-hatching, or it's going to be a light gray, which we will do by signifying with just hatch, or it's going to be white, which we will leave blank. So in your negative shapes, in this first row, you are always going to combine the black and then just plain white. In the B section, you are going to combine the dark gray and the light gray. You are welcome to use the black and the white as well, but that's not required. So if I'm doing a negative shape, rather than filling this space in dark, I would fill this space in dark. Now you'll take your time to do this nicely. Then I would come over here and based off what I learned from approximate symmetry, I would do another design. And then again, I cannot have any lines. So I can't have white next to white. I have to decide that these little circles would be gray and I would fill those in with hash lines. And I'm doing this quickly. You clearly would use the circle provided to you and stay inside the lines. And then you can't have white and white here, so you would have to decide that this becomes dark gray so that no 2 sections are touching. Then you would take A and you're going to combine it with B and you're going to make a brand new composition, and I'm going to show you my example here. So you have A plus B making a brand new composition for C, where you're not creating any new elements, but you are combining. And then on this one, again, you have to make sure that you have all 4 kinds. So maybe I make that light gray, and then I make these sections here dark gray. After you complete the whole page, you are then going to find one friend. That friend is going to write on your packet one thing that they feel you should erase. Oops. And then one thing that you should add to make this C better. They are also going to score it on a 10-point scale how well they felt you combined A, B to make a brand new composition for C, and then they will sign it. Once this has happened, you will bring it for me for confirmation, and then I would let you move your magnet on to 3 and 4. You would repeat that whole process with the signing and with the grays, blacks, and whites, and then you would repeat that for 5 and 6, again with the signatures on the side.